Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant, and this is the free video for Monday, July 13th, 2015. So today we've had a very interesting market from the standpoint of the fact we opened up fairly strongly, up nearly 1% in the ES and I'd say just below 1% in the NASDAQ. And you can see, especially here in the NASDAQ, all that strength led us to run higher all the way up until about 10:30 and do a slight pullback into the opening range. Now the rest of the morning became really choppy right around in the NASDAQ, roughly 11:15, 11:30, and we really haven't moved very far away from this plus 67 points in the NASDAQ futures. We've stayed right above the opening range high and kind of fought to stay up here and not really looking like we want to pull back towards the range. And that doesn't surprise me because, again, we are up 1.5%. It is a Monday, and a lot of NASDAQ stocks are higher. Now compare that to the ES, the same strength of a move into the 11:20 time period resulted in a 50% retracement, a pullback into the middle of the opening range. Now, with that said, we've tried to go back to the top of the opening range and then a pullback to the middle, back to the top, pull back to the middle. Now we've been sitting in the middle of the opening range, up 0.91, 0.9, and potentially going back to the high of the day at 2090, 2091. So again, everyday profits, the structure, the opening range provides a very good way to see the market's movement within the time period of the morning session. Okay, you can get a good feeling of the way the market is moving, which today at times have been very choppy, and the relative strength, like here in the NASDAQ, that we're now really watching for a potential breakout later on this afternoon. Okay, so again, take what you've learned from the Everyday Profits workshop. If you're interested in obtaining a copy of it, because it can be used for stocks, ETF, options, and futures, interested in getting a copy of that Everyday Profits workshop, contact us at support@microquant.com. Thank you.